product owner. So again, outside of the certifications, who actually plays this role and who's the most effective in this type of role? So this one more is a business savvy person, right? Because they're actually going to be leading the team for what is required for this product. And so it's important that they understand what are the business implications for this product, and also prioritizing highest value items first for their customers. So it's really important. It can be played by a technical person. Oftentimes it is played by a business analyst, business role. But there's also been times where maybe a manager or even sometimes the own team kind of directs their own prioritization of the work if no one's giving them guidance. That's definitely not a preferred option and actually not recommended, but sometimes it happens, right? Because if they have that leader, that manager does not know the product as much as those engineers, sometimes that's kind of delegated to the engineers to, in the best interest of the product, build the highest priority items. But it becomes difficult, right? Because these people in the team might be very specialized in their technical or field, and so they might not actually be prioritizing the highest value. Maybe they're picking the coolest project or the coolest feature. And so it's really important that this role is actually played more for a business role, business analyst role, because they really understand what brings business value to the organization, what's the highest value. And there's more things too as well, is like working with the different stakeholders to pull all the pieces and requirements together, kind of an aggregator, a system engineer, to let the team do what they do best, which is develop the product, right? So organizing it so it can be handed off to the developers to work efficiently within